You ever walk into a workplace where everyone's smiling just a little too much? Like the building's on fire, but Janet's still telling you, just stay positive.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure?
Yeah, that's not a healthy work culture. That's toxic positivity. And today, we're going to talk about how it's slowly strangling your organization. Toxic positivity is when a workplace consistently promotes positive thinking at the expense of reality. When employees bring up concerns and leadership responds with, "We just need to focus on the good," or worse, "That's not the energy we want here." It sends one loud message: your problems aren't welcomed. Over time, this creates a culture where no one speaks up, real issues go unaddressed, and people either disengage or quit. Think of it like this: we're severely understaffed and morale is low. Let's just stay grateful we have jobs. I'm not listening. This kind of one-sided optimism isn't team building, it's team gaslighting. What your workplace actually needs is authentic positivity. That means acknowledging problems without panic, encouraging solution-focused thinking, and creating space for honest feedback. Positivity isn't bad, it just can't be forced. People need room to feel, process, and improve, not fake smiles and donut Fridays as a replacement for good leadership. You want a culture where people are motivated because they are supported, not because they're afraid to look negative. So before you slap another good vibes only sign on the wall, ask yourself if you're actually listening or just covering cracks with glitter. That's your 3-minute brief. Want more quick culture fixes? Hit subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know what workplace realities you want me to unpack next.